everyone. In the previous video I made some mistakes, so in this fix video I need to show you how to fix it. First thing is the scale. So when I try to verify the scale, I see that the scale is wrong. So for example, as you see here in the 2D plan, we have this scale, so I need to verify the scale according to this meter. So I need to add a cube, for example, Shift A cube, and make this dimension in the x-axis 5 meter. Then move this cube to this position. As you see here, if I put it in the same place, you see that it's wrong. So I need to fix that. First of all, I need to select all the parts in the object. Then I need to delete some of the object. For example, this, I need to delete it. So I will keep all the others. Then I need to select all the parts. Then scale these parts by pressing S in the keyboard, then exclude the Z axis. So I will scale it just in the X and the Y axis. Don't forget to go to the wireframe to have a clear vision. S, Shift Z, then scale. Oh, I need to exclude this cube also. Then select all, exclude this cube, then S, then Shift Z, then scale the objects. Then try to move it here, for example. You need a little bit of scale, and try to move it here. Oh no, redo the option. Needs a little bit of scale, just a little bit, like this. Then move it here to verify, like this, and it's done. Then I will delete this cube. The first or the second thing that I want to fix it is in this wall. So as you see here, there is another part I need to add up to this wall. So first of all, I need to enter to the edit mode of the wall, then go to the top view of the wall and add an edge loop here. Then return to the solid mode and select this face and select this face, and click Alt E and select extrude manifold and move it to this part according to the 2D plan. I need to move it a little bit like this. So when I fix this problem, so I need to modify it in the window. So I need to delete it directly and create it from scratch. So I need to enter to the edit mode of the wall, then select this window and separate it from selection. Then set the origin to geometry, then scale it to have the same thickness of this window in the plane. Now I need to add the frame of this window, enter the edit mode and add edge loops, then scale it in the x-axis to move it to this position. Then add two another edge loops like this, then bevel it like this, then select all the faces, then extrude the faces a little bit in the Z axis like this. Then I need to deselect these faces by clicking Shift and click in this face. Then extrude these faces to the ceiling by snapping it directly. So don't forget to enable the snap mode. Then I need to create the up frame for this window by adding extra loops at the top. So like this, add extra loop, then snap it to the previous loop. like this, snap it to the previous loop, then make the same bridge that I do in the previous video. Select these two faces, then click the right mouse button, loop tools, bridge, like this, loop tools, bridge, loop tools, and bridge, like this. So I think that I have a problem here, so I need to select this edge loop and reposition it according to this edge loop. Then shift, select this face and this face, then loops tool and bridge. Then I need to add the glasses panel, so add an edge loops in the middle, then fill it with F, then make the same operation for other glass panel, like this, and it's done. I think that I'm fixing all the wrong things in this step, so now I can move to the next steps by modeling the bookshelves and clothes shelves, and also the kitchen countertop, also the other details things. So I hope that I help you. Thanks for watching. See you in other parts. Salam.